Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. And with my year of savings, I have $100 in prop money and saving challenges that I am saving for different things throughout the year. So let's get started. So first we have our every Friday of 2025. And this Friday is the 22nd. This month went so freaking quick. Can you guys agree with that? Do you think so? Did it go fast for you? Because it went so fast for me. All right, so we got the $22 we're going to put in here. And this is going towards the extra payment towards debt. So we got the 22 in here. And I would just add up how much I saved in August and put that towards the extra payment. Next, we have our weekly savings. And I forgot the color pencils again. Why do I always forget the color pencils? I have no idea. I literally grabbed everything else but that. Hold on. Ugh, goodness, gotta reach all the way over there. Sorry if I bumped the camera. All right. So we have this weekly savings that I am saving for my son's senior year. This is created by Norella's Budgets. And this, I am using an 8-sided die for each week. I'm just rolling it to see how much I'm going to save. And that is a 6. Five and 6. My allergies has been kicking my butt. The weather is changing here in Ohio, and now it's getting a little bit chillier. And it's been really bothering my allergies. This saving challenge is created by Say with Judy. Each icon is $5, and this is also saving towards his senior year. So I'm just going to color in another icon. And this says $300. And if you guys have missed my debt binder video, I did mention that my son has decided to join Space Force. Yay! So yeah, he'll be going to Space Force after he graduates high school. So yeah, we have to get ready for that. All right. Next we have Santa's coming to town. And with that, I am saving for Christmas. And this is created by Miss Chief Managed Budget in Champagne's Corner. And where are my reindeers? Ugh, right here. So let's see, what are we going to get? Oh, with this one, I put in $20. And let's see. Let's put that right there. You guys can see everything. I think so. So 20. Okay. Let's see. We've been getting 10s on this one. I mean, there's other reindeers out there, I know. You guys ready? Yep, it sure is a 9. 10's cousin said, we got you. We just going to give you a 9. So minus 9. Should I dare to do another one? Now we're just going to do one. Let's do one. And then let's do, because we finished most of these. Let's do this roll and save. I need a D4. So let's knock some of these out. So we got a 4. All right, we can do this at least one more time. We got a 3. Ooh, that's an ugly 3. And okay, one more time. And we got a 4. All right, and that was $20. Perfect. All right, next we are doing our say 2025 and 2025. And this is created by the Almost Organized Aisle. So do I want to put the rest of that into here? And this is saving towards taxes next year. I just wanted to get ahead of the game. So we got 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So $47. Whew. Oh goodness. 47. What can I do? Let me get the calculator. Why I'm trying to stretch my brain. So let me see. So what if I do 47? What if I do 16? 26? What am I doing? 47 minus 16 minus, well, why am I doing this? I hate doing this. 47 minus, let me see, what's the highest? 26. Of course, it's always a 22. Minus 16. Do I got a 5? No. What is a 24? I got a 20. I got a 23. So what I just do? So 24 and 23. Yes, 24 and 23. Gosh, that took a long time. So let's do 24 if I forget. And then 23. What color should 23 be? 23 should be, let's do yellow again. Okay, we getting there. We getting there. All right, and that's 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $47 going in our say 2025 and 2025. Oh, I forgot I had this catch-all in here too. Darn it. Okay, I got to remember that. I forgot I put that in there. All right, gems, thank you for a fun time. We did our year of savings. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please remember, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Jill.